So are there any drug issues?
No, ma'am.
So why are you stealing though?
I don't know, ma'am. I'm confused.
It appears that you're going in people's mailboxes, you're doing this, you're doing that. When's the last time you spoke with April Gonzalez?
Last time she was about a month ago, I guess. She was incarcerated as well. So
You both are setting a horrible example for your children. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 8065B, 2021 CR 8077B, 2021 CR 8084B, State of Texas versus Joseph Ramirez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Officer Salinas.
Defense?
Raymond Martinez.
And are you Mr. Ramirez? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received the discovery in each of these cause numbers, and did you review those with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there applications in some and applications not in
In the
others?
third one, Judge, yes,
Yes.
there is.
Okay,
Just the one.
so there's only one with an application, is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Ramirez, in cause number 2021 CR 8084B, showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
yes, ma'am. I did.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each of the cause numbers?
You do, Your Honor.
Stating cause number 2021 CR 8065B, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're waiving the banning the repeater allegation. Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking about another case.
Yes.
Yes, we're proceeding that way.
And in cause number 2021 CR 8077B, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
And in cause number 2021 CR 8084B, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
In that one, we're waiving the repeater.
Any objections to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers for Mr. Ramirez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places? In cause number 2021 CR 8084B, you're charged with the offense of tampering with a government license or seal. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
And cause number 2021 CR 8065B, you're charged with the offense of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information, 5 items or less. And then also in 2021 CR 8077B, you're charged with possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. Each of those offenses are state jail felonies. The range of punishment for those offenses is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
And each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea or gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? And each of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers? I'm sorry?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very well satisfied.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived jury trial. Showing you what's entitled plea bargain page. Did you review that page in each of the cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And cause number 2021 CR 8065B and 2021 CR 8077B, according to the plea bargain agreement, you're to be sentenced to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail under 12.44 of the Penal Code. The cases are running concurrently. The state is taking in consideration 2021 CR 8072, 2021 CR 8076B, 2021 CR 8064B. And cause number 2021 CR 8084B, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. Cases were run concurrently. The previous cases stated are taken in consideration. However, there will be restitution in 2021 CR 8072. There's to be restitution in 2021 CR 8084B, 2021 CR 8065B, 2021 CR 8064B, 2021 CR 8076B. And there's to be no contact with any of the complainants in the cases. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
And in cause number 2021 CR 8084B, outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your supervision be for a term of 6 years and there be 40 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then how do you plea in cause number 2021 CR 8065B? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number 2021 CR 8077B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in cause number 2021 CR 8084B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Judge, state offers in each one of the cases, State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, in cause number 2021 CR 8065B, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2021 CR 8077B, and 2021 CR 8084B. Taking consideration 2021 CR 8072, 8076B, and 8064B. And that cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, we're going to move on to 2021 CR 8077B, and the court is reviewing state stipulation for sufficiency. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 100 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244 of the Penal Code. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2021 CR 084B and 065B. Taking consideration 2021 CR 8072, 8076B, and 8064B. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, next, we're going to move on to 2021 CR 8084B. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Please ask the court to follow the plea agreement, Judge.
All right. Mr. Ramirez, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
A carpenter, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what?
A carpenter and the superintendent
Superintendent for what?
for a construction company, ma'am.
Who is April Gonzalez to you?
That's my wife.
It appears that you all are committing crimes together. So do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Total of 3, 2 that live with us,
What are their ages?
17 and 15.
Why are you stealing?
I don't know. Got lost in our ways, I guess.
I'm sorry, what?
Just got lost in our ways, just I have no really reason for it.
Just one moment. So are there any drug issues?
No, ma'am.
So why are you stealing though?
I don't know, ma'am. To be honest with you,
I'm sorry, what?
I don't know what's happening.
Well, I mean, it appears that you're going in people's mailboxes, you're doing this, you're doing that. When's the last time you spoke with April Gonzalez?
Last time she was, about a month ago, I guess. She was incarcerated as well. So
You both are setting a horrible example for your children. I mean, you're telling me you're a carpenter, but it appears that's not your occupation. Your occupation is taking things that don't belong to you. So I'm telling you right now, you're going to get a real job. And when I say a real job, I know that carpentry is a real job, but it appears that you're not really working on a basis that supports you. So you're getting a job, and you're going to get a job where someone actually pays you with a paycheck. Do you understand? All right, this is what the court is going to do. Punishment is going to be assessed at 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's a $1,000 fine that will be probated. This run concurrent with 2021 CR 8077B, 2021 CR 8065B. Taking consideration 2021 CR 8072, 8076B, 8064B, restitution, if any, and no contact with complainants, and cause numbers 2021 CR 8072, 8084B, 8065B, 8064B, 8076B, 120 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do with booster, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes with triple P. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. And probation, if you can let them know that they're going to need to search and make sure that there are no items that have information on it that does not belong to him or his wife. And don't go out there putting items in your children's names. They need to start with a clean credit report. You understand?
Sure.
We're going to do regular UAs. We're going to do the MRT with him. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Thank you. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and his employment needs to be at least 8 hours a day. And if you need to get 2 part-time jobs to make 8 hours, that's what you need to do. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Take a chance.
All right, you better stop stealing. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to your attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. You better start searching internally why you do the things you do, because you're going to find yourself maybe in prison for a long time. And then your children will not be influenced by you, possibly, because you'll be at the prison. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you.
What started as a routine plea hearing quickly turned into a moment of raw courtroom confrontation as Joseph Ramirez stood before the judge facing multiple felony charges tied to fraud, controlled substances, and identity-related offenses. With several cases bundled together, the courtroom moved fast, but the consequences were anything but simple. Ramirez ultimately accepted a plea deal that included jail time, years of probation, strict supervision conditions, restitution, and mandatory programs designed to monitor and reform his behavior. But the real impact of this hearing wasn't just the sentence, it was the judge's direct and unfiltered warning. In a rare moment of courtroom intensity, the judge questioned Ramirez about his choices, his employment, and even his family situation, pointing out how his actions were affecting not only his own future, but also the example set for his children. The message was clear. This wasn't just about punishment, it was about accountability. Now under 6 years of probation with strict conditions, Ramirez's future depends entirely on whether he can change his path or risk turning a suspended sentence into something far more serious. This case leaves one lingering question. Was this a turning point for him, or just another stop before deeper consequences unfold?